Today we will understand the answer of a question for IAS Mains exam, that Mahatma Gandhi has kept the village at the center in his vision of Ram Rajya. But in contemporary India, development is being carried through the cities to the villages. As is this contradiction? Note that the analysis of the question is mandatory. First, the question should be read at least 3 times, so that you can understand the different aspects of the question and its demand. First of all, we can see that the concept of Ram Rajya has been asked in the question, which we have to tell very briefly, and the second important keyword is development. Along with this, it is also to be told that how the benefits of development are distributed through the governance system of the state, and is it possible that the benefits of development can be distributed from the village to the cities and then to the center? The directive term of this question is, as is the contradiction. Under this, we have to investigate 2 or different opposing views of an issue, and support a right idea. Gandhiji's theory of oceanic circle is to be discussed. Under this, the power of governance lies in the village and this power extends to the center. The concept of the oceanic circle recognizes the flow of democratic power from below. This concept is in line with his theory of self-government or Swaraj. Whereas the Constitution of India has vested the power of governance in the center, and its distribution is from the center to the states, and then from the city to the village. And lastly, or in conclusion, we also have to tell whether it would be appropriate to make the village the center of power of governance according to Gandhiji's vision. Let us see what would be the exact answer to this question in 200 words as per the UPSC norms. Answer is, development is a fundamental need of the society. Development means to achieve production and monetary benefits by processing the natural resources of the country through the policies and technology of the state in a given time period. The distribution of this development makes the life of common citizens convenient, safe and useful. It is clear that development can be achieved only by the central government, and it is impossible to get it from the villages. On the other hand, the basis of Gandhiji's concept of Ram Rajya is the political theory of oceanic circle, under which, following the principles of village Swaraj and self-government, clusters of self-sufficient villages will achieve development, and its distribution will be further towards the cities in the center. Gandhiji considered India to be a country of villages, and he believed that the solution of all problems is possible at the village level. In fact, his approach was reformist. But the truth is that in this world of international competition and economic diplomacy, development can be achieved only through central policies and centrally directed bureaucracy and experts. However, equitable distribution of this development still remains a problem, and to address this problem, policies can be made keeping in mind the ideals of Ram Rajya of Gandhiji. In this way, you will keep in mind the keywords used in the answer to this question, and especially pay special attention to the style of writing the answer, in which a certain conclusion has been reached by clarifying the contradiction. Thank you.